Does sin stop our dua from being accepted? And what can we do to fix this to get our dua accepted?
Usually, sins stop, if not, at least reduce the chances of you or of your dua being accepted. As an example, the Prophet told us, alayhi salatu wasalam, as was reported in Sahih Imam Muslim, the Prophet was telling us about a traveler whose hair and clothes are dusted, who raises his hands in supplication, invoking Allah, using Allah's beautiful names, Ya Rab, Ya Rab. So he's doing everything that would guarantee his dua to be answered. Yet the Prophet says, alayhi salam, but his feeding from haram, drinking from haram, clothing from haram, and all his income is from haram. How is it possible that Allah answers his dua? So from this hadith, we learn that consuming haram blocks the possibility of your dua to be answered. And likewise, other sins, but to what gravity? This is in Allah's hands. So if you want your dua to be answered, you have to purify your heart and your actions and deeds from anything that angers Allah Azza wa Jal, and you have to show your submissiveness and humbleness to Allah, and may Allah make things easy for all of us.